Good afternoon. Welcome today. It's a Sunday. Today, I want to talk to you about the Land Use Act. Yes, Land Use Act. As you know, it is a very, very popular act that dates back to the time when there was issues in Nigeria when different customs, different traditions were owning rights to land without proper documentation. This led to different problems encountered, whereby chiefs, councilmen, elders were selling land in piecemeal, fragmentation into parts. This led to a very big problem that we encountered in those days. Even now, till today, we still encounter such problems. Well, the Land Use Act is an act which states that land is being vested in the hands solely in the hands of the governor, who holds the land in trust for the people of the states. He's the one who has the right to allocate land to different uses, be it residential, be it institutional, be it industrial, whatever purpose you have it for. The Land Use Act is an act that encompasses and comprises of a title document also known as the C of O. This C of O is being given to you by the governor. He's the only one that gives this right for you to have access to your land, to make use of it in whichever purpose you want to have for it. But this act has today been used and been mismanaged. Recently, it has been mismanaged. It has been managed properly. He has these advantages. He has these disadvantages. The disadvantage Land Use Act has today, we know that the land speculation by private individuals has been decreased, has been reduced because of all the problems that it causes. It has brought about good change, whereby the governor is the only one who gives access and right to land for any purpose, be it agricultural use, as earlier said. The disadvantage of this act brought about abuse of power. Most governors, when they are in power, they forget what they are there for, and they bring about bad problems that brings about property mismanagement, or there can be a problem whereby the governor is the one who appoints his land use committee to take care of the land or manage the land. But in taking care of this land, sometimes these governors they get to bring people that are not supposed to be in a proper position to be in charge of this land. You can bring someone else different from a different position to come and manage the land, or be part of the land use committee. This brings about so much problems that we're facing today. It brings about so many problems. There's another disadvantage whereby Land Use Act has made the value of land has really gone up. It's become very, very hard for individuals, residents, to own access to land, whereby the main obligation of this act was to enable residents to own access to land, to have access to every plot of land, every Nigerian to have a home. But today is different. It's very difficult for a common man or an average man to own a land. Those are some of the problems. You just said all about Land Use Act. I hope you know much about it. You can read about it. It's good. So you know your rights. You know how to get a land. You know the procedures you have to go through to get a land. You don't just build anyhow in a state. It's being controlled by the government, and this government is being run by the state governor who holds the land in trust for the people. That's all I have for you today. Thank you. I